Shaktinagar is located at the center of Mangalore city's map with easy and convenient access from Kulshekar and Bikankatta. It takes approximately 5 minutes to reach the location from Nantur Junction, and the area is well connected with transport system. The approach road to Shaktinagar is soon going to be converted into concrete road. Besides this road, there are proposals for new 40-feet roads, which will connect Shaktinagar to other parts of the city, such as the airport road. Shaktinagar has easy access to some of the new ICSE and CBSE schools at Nirmarga and an internet city. And IT Park is soon coming up in the neighborhood. Some of the landmarks in the vicinity are Sri Gopalakrishna Temple, Bikankatta and Kulshekar churches, Vishwa Konkani Kendra and Kalangan. A very prominent landmark in the neighborhood is the famous Gopalakrishna Temple, built by Sri K.C. Naik, Managing Director of Mahabaleshwara Builders. The other important landmark is Mangalore Internet City, which is beside to this project. Mangalore Internet City project is well thought out and conceived on a 80-acre lush green property. The project will be the largest gated community project in Mangalore, comprising of residential, commercial, IT, hospitality, community services, retail, school and convention center. The land of Panchmal Properties Private Limited is located within the city corporation limits. For the end customer, it will be the most planned area in Mangalore, with excellent infrastructure and facilities, built to top quality, international specification, rising to glory at equidistance between the city and the airport. Panchmal Properties is rightly poised to elevate the city to be the new Mecca of Karnataka. Panchmal Properties Private Limited has been remarkable history. The mother concern, Panchmal Plastics, was founded in the year 1974 by late visionary Sri P.V. Shenoy. Sri P. Lakshman Shenoy, son of Sri P.V. Shenoy, took over the rights of the company in the year 1996 with the passing of his beloved father. He is a man with immense foresight. He envisaged that the future would be in construction field. Panchmal Properties Private Limited's completed project named Velankani Heights has truly a grand international lifestyle with sea view. The residents of this prestigious project have advantage of home space that is designed full ultimate relaxation. You will be seeing the same in future in the new project at Shaktinagar.